Good morning, all. Back with an update for today. We'll start with Euro USD, which I've currently just gone short on. Euro USD, let's quickly look at we'll look at the daily first, okay? Now you can see we're in bearish order flow. This to me, ABC, is either an A wave, okay? No, is A wave or a W, B wave or an X, and I'm looking for another move down to go take out this low as a minimum before price continues its bullish trend. Now price could come down slightly deeper. It could even come no, not that far. It could come down to this demand over here. Okay, so anywhere in this box I could expect Euro USD to travel to. Okay, I'll put on the midline because that's a good point of interest to watch for. Go down to the 4-hour time frame. On the 4-hour time frame, you can see I'll even take off the indicators to make it a bit clearer. All right, you can see that this supply over here took out the high, broke the fractal low here, came up, created more supply, broke the lows, broke all of these lows here, okay, into this demand, all right, left equal lows. A, B, C came up, taps the supply, creates more supply, smashes through all the lows into the imbalance. Now this becomes the supply, okay? This whole region becomes the supply, okay? So in some cases, this high could get nipped, it could get taken and then tank, all right? I'm not expecting that in scenario. I think we'll be using this supply right here to continue bringing the market down. Bearish, yeah, okay. Now we're on the 4-hour, we'll go down to the 1-hour, okay. The moment price closes below this line, that's an added confirmation. In fact, to me, the moment it breaks that line, because of all the things that have happened before, like I said, I'm already in my shorts, okay. I'm already in my shorts for Euro USD. So bare minimum for today, absolute bare minimum, I am expecting price to take out this low. 1 second. Okay, so to take out that low, this is Euro USD on the 1-hour time frame, and I'll put the indicators back on. Okay, we haven't even broken down and closed below the 50 EMA. Okay, we just gone below it, but when we break down, that means that it's in action. Yeah, I was about to close and it's going below the 50 static. This is the trades I look for, and I'm really excited about Euro USD. Okay, so we're gonna check the pound USD. Same flex. We got M formation here. In fact, this is going down hard, I believe, because what we've gone and done here is we've broken and we closed down there. Everybody would have, those that trade the market maker method anyway, would have been looking to sell here, okay, and they wouldn't have been wrong to, but they would have got stopped out if they put the stops here. Okay, break down here again, 13 crosses to 50 again. We manipulate the highs into this fair value gap over here, and just like that, I know the fair, let me do it right. Okay, that's the fair value gap. Okay, a fair value gap is an imbalance, but a different type where you go, oh, no wick there and no wick there. So that's your fair value gap, and bang, tanking. Okay, GBPUSD. I'm looking for GBP to go all the way below this low as a bare minimum today. Bare minimum. That's the target. Trying to see if there's a bigger target quickly on the daily. Okay, there we go. We've got the 800 there. This is where I would definitely be looking to take out the majority, if not all of my positions. Okay, that lies at 1.29365. Okay, which is in potentially the middle of this last. This is a funny up move for the down move that breaks structure. Yeah, so you could say it was here. Okay, which it really is. But let's go to the 4-hour to find out a bit. Yeah, this is the last up move for the down move, okay, but This is also an up move, yeah. But either which way, sorry, I'm even complicating this. Bottom line is, I expect pound to come down here. Okay, I expect pound to take out this low. I expect pound to come down there, but I will be TPing here most of my positions. As you can see, we will be in 50% of this down move before the up move. That's what I was actually trying to get to. Right, this over here, 50% of this box looks like it lines up perfectly with my there you go, with my point of interest. Okay, so that's the pound, and the best I think actually right now for where the price is at would be AUD USD. Okay, AUD USD has just gone into this fair value gap, which is a higher time frame inverted fair value gap. Okay, look at this. It's a clean distribution. Once we've done that, once we break this low, that's a big, big distribution. What am I looking for? I'm looking for price to at least get into say 50% of this demand zone over here. So there's a lot of potential on the main Forex pairs. Okay, so that's it. Lines up exactly with the psychological low. And I do actually expect price to go below that psychological low. Maybe not today, maybe today, but sometime soon, because I am expecting USD to really take out all of these lows, take out this swing low all the way over here. This is why USD is the best short right now, because USD is all the way up there and its TP is considerably lower. We're on the 15-minute time frame. We're going to look at the 50 static, which we're just about to go below. On the 1 hour, we're not even that close to it yet. On the 1 hour, we're not too close to the 50 static yet. There's a lot of downside for AUD USD, I think, more than the pound and more than Euro USD. Okay, so please like, share, comment, and subscribe. I'll update you later, and I wish you all a good trading day. All right, peace.